Destination. This is Destination Kisbel. Brand new house.
Yep. Looks like this phase is almost done.
Yeah.
Another big major phase going in. There's another road.
Yeah.
It's selling quick.
Yep. Got this, but have others. Phase 3.
I think it's gonna be phase 4.
Phase 4.
We got a dirt road in already. Look.
Yep, there. Phase 4.
Let's see what it look like. It's gonna be bumpy.
Bumpy. It's a bumpy.
Some big lots over here.
Yep.
Left.
There.
Mountain views from the backyard.
Yep. And have here too.
Yep. The smaller lots, it's kind of mixed.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's gonna get muddy, so I'm gonna turn the
Okay.
road.
Turn around. There's the mountain view.
So that'd be a big lot, huh?
Yeah. How much that?
Half an acre. You see over there, when those trees bloom,
Yeah.
when the leaves come out,
Yep.
it blocks the mountain completely.
Yep. Privacy.
Yeah. But there you go. Half acre lots over there
Yep.
on the right.
Here.
Half acre. But those trees ain't coming down anytime soon. So if you get behind the neighbor's trees, you lose that mountain view.
Yeah.
Or spring, summer, fall, you lose it. In the winter, you get the view.
Yeah, because it's too tall though.
Yeah, well, they've been there. Those houses have been there a long time. The trees have grown up.
This nice house.
Got a boat.
Look like New England house.
There's another entrance in.
Yeah. Other here. Entrance.
It's different.
Yep. Here is almost done here.
Yeah, these are all new. People, some people moving in already.
Yep.
New England style cottages.
Yeah.
That's where we looked on this dead end road.
Yep.
But a lot of property between them.
Yeah, big space.
Nice driveway. Oh, they moved in.
Yep. Almost. Oh, about
Empty lot.
empty lot here.
Got one big long house.
Yep.
Some of these houses are long when you had the garage.
Yeah.
And they covered this house.
Not yet done.
Because they're doing the stucco. The brick.
Yeah.
No, the stucco. See?
Yeah.
And it's 19 degrees out, so that's what they do. They cover it up. 19 degrees when we woke up 2.5 hours ago. Now it's 25 degrees.
There is the model that have a balloon. That's the model.
Here's the model.
Here is the model here.
They to sell them. They're
Yeah.
open all the time. There's the sign.
Sign.
That's it there. I was looking for it. And there's phase 4.
That's the phase 4.
I still got the sign up over there, phase 3, but phase 3 is almost sold out. They didn't put the sign up for phase 4 yet.